Hi guys, so now I want to tell you guys about movie review from Indonesian movie. It's named Ngeri Ngeri Sedap. So before we start the video, let me introduce ourselves first. My name is Jessica Kristalin and I'm from SMN 38 Jakarta. So let's go to the video. Okay guys, first of all, I want to explain what is the film about. So, Ngeri Ngeri Sedap is an Indonesian comedy drama film set in the Batak tribe and revolves around the lives of a Batak family. The parents who miss their children and come up with a funny and unique plan to bring them back to home. And the story is packed with humor and heartfelt moments as it explores the challenge of modern families while holding on to traditions. It belongs to the family drama genre with a mix of comedy. It makes it a movie that can make you laugh and cry at the same time. This film doesn't just talk about family problems, but also highlights the important things of culture and understanding between the generations. Without revealing the ending, the movie sends a strong message about how love and communication can mend a broken relationships. And then the actors in this movie play their roles is very perfectly and making the characters is feel real and relatable, like Arswendi Beningsuara as the strict but loving father, while Tika Panggabean brings warmth and humor as the caring mother. Their chemistry as a couple is very convincing and reminds you guys of many parents in real life. And the actors who play the children, including Boris Bokir, Gita Betita, Indra Jugel, and Lolox, add a lot of charm to the film. Each of them represent a different struggle from career and love to family expectation. Their performances are natural, emotional, and at times it's very funny, guys. Together, the cast creates a family dynamic. It's very feels and familiar and heartfelt. So guys, in this film I found several of good and bad points. So I will discuss the good point first. The first one, the movie shows Batak culture in a beautiful and honest way. The second, it has the perfect mix of funny and emotional moments. The third, the dialogue feels real, just like how families talk to each other. The fourth, the scenery is stunning, showing the beauty of the Batak region. And the bad points of this film is the first, some scenes feel a bit slow, which may make you lose focus. The second, the problems between the children are a bit too simple. The third, if you don't know Batak culture, some parts I think you hard to understand. My favorite part of this film, one of the most memorable parts, is when the family finally gathers together and starts to open about their true feelings. And this scene is powerful because it shows the raw of emotion that often remain hidden in families. It reminds us of the importance of speaking honestly and listening to one and another. The combination of tears, laughter, and heartfelt words makes this moment is very unforgettable. And in my opinion, Ngeri Ngeri Sedap is a must watch for anyone who loves a good family story and it's funny, emotional, and meaningful all at once. The movie not only entertains but also teach us valuable lessons about love, respect, and understanding within family. It is also encourages us to appreciate cultural traditions while navigating the challenges of the modern lives. This movie success in making you laugh, cry, and think all the same time. It is the story stays with you long after the credits roll, reminding you of the importance of family communication. In a closing, I will give a rating for this film. I will give Ngeri Ngeri Sedap is 4.5 out of 5 stars. It has a heartfelt and beautifully made film shows the ups and downs of family lives in a way that feels genuine and relatable. The few minor flaws don't take away from the overall experience, making it a film worth to watching and sharing to your friends. So, thank you for listening. Bye bye.